Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy, and as you can see, we have another mess on our hands today. So I primarily make a lot of clean with me and shop with me style videos. If you like that style content, definitely watch till the end of this video so you can see the final reveal, but also consider subscribing so that way you don't miss any of my future uploads. And on that note, we are going to jump right into tackling this mess. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start wiping down some of my makeup items and just really trying to sort everything out before I start organizing and putting everything away. The brushes will be put away in a separate container, and I will wash those in a later time.
My spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above.
So the mess that you see me cleaning now, this happened because I decided to deconstruct some of my Juvia's Place palettes that I was going to actually declutter or donate, but I decided there were some shades that were definitely worth saving. So I basically ripped up the packaging, took out the pans that I wanted, the actual eyeshadows that I wanted, and then I just put them in a separate magnetic palette.
When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want.
Okay, so now I'm gonna just put everything away, and sorry about the shaky footage here. I was really trying to hold the camera as I did this. Usually I take the time to, set the camera up on a tripod, but I think I was just getting a little tired. You guys have no idea how exhausting this was. I'm really ashamed that I let it get this bad, but hey, if I would have kept it clean, I wouldn't have this content for you guys. So either way, but yeah, so I apologize in advance for that.
It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
This is how you know you have too much stuff. When you literally buy multiples of something. I discovered that I had 2 of those Juvia's Place palettes. So unfortunately, it's a beautiful palette, but I do have to get rid of one.
Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. Long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time. Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? No. Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want.
So these are my final results. I'm just so happy that I'm able to see the tabletop and the floor. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.